Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show you how to hide any payment methods for total order amount using the cart subtotal condition in Shopify. Cart subtotal means the total price of all products in the cart before taxes and shipping fee as shown at checkout on a Shopify store. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the cart subtotal condition. Then click on Select this combinations where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Cart subtotal. In this condition, if less than means the rule will apply when the value is lower than the set amount, and if more than means the rule will apply when the value is higher than the set amount. For this example, we choose less than and set $300. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if a customer adds less than $300 product to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because the customer's cart subtotal is more than $300. Now let's remove some items and make the subtotal to less than $300 and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!